Hey, it's Rob Bettis here. Welcome back to my math tutorials. Today I'm going to quickly go over some terms that you may or may not be familiar with, but if not, we'll get through it and probably be a good idea to learn them as soon as you can and memorize these terms, because there'll definitely be some you'll need in any of your math. First term is PEMDAS. And PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And the reason it starts with P, because you do what's in parentheses first, then you do the exponent next, then you do multiplication and division. Actually, they're pretty much the same. You just do left to right, multiplication and division, and the same thing with addition and subtraction. You do left to right, but you do that after you do these. And next set of terms, sums, differences in products, and you may be aware of those terms, but we're going to go over this problem anyway to make sure you understand it. And that problem is, what is the positive difference between the sum of 3 and 4 and the product of 3 and 4? And it sounds kind of weird, but once you think about it and kind of picture what they're asking you, you should be okay. Go ahead and take a look at these problems and try to work them out, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes.
Welcome to What's Up with Uncle Jaybo. I'm Uncle Jaybo. Let's see what was sent in today. Sarah said, Uncle Jaybo, my water bill is so high and I can't pay it no more. What should I do? Sarah, that's so easy. First thing you need to do, Sarah, is get your long water hose. And probably about 1 a.m. at night, go to your next door neighbor's house and plug that water hose up. Then run the other end into your house. Fill your tub up, fill all the jugs you can up, Sarah, and fill up all your sinks. Every one of your sinks. That way you can save on the water bill. Now the other thing that you can do to save on your bill, Sarah, is what I do every week. I flush my toilet once a week, Sarah, just one time. I don't care how much I pee-pee or poop in that toilet, I only flush it one time. That saves so much money, Sarah. And another thing, it keeps the neighbors away. They come on my porch trying to sell me something, and then you see them do this and they run off because of the stench. In fact, one time somebody tried to break in my house, Sarah, got in the house, that stench hit them at the door, Sarah, knocked them right out. They were just laying right there till the police came. So that's another thing that stink toilet do, Sarah. Just once a week. Do those two things, Sarah, that bill gonna go down by $150 a month. Okay? Sarah, glad I could help. I'll see y'all next time.
Hello again, it's Rob Bettis. Welcome back. And what we're going to do is go over the two problems I left you with earlier. What I try to do is make these as quick as possible, because I know everybody have a lot of things to do. And, I don't want to do too many long, drawn-out explanations. We just want you to get what you need to do as well as you can on your test. I mentioned PEMDAS mean parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. In this problem, you want to do parentheses first. So that's 7 minus 5, which gives you 2. You bring down the exponent, and I like to bring down everything else too, including the signs. And that kind of, see the pluses all the way down to the division. I like to do that because it keeps things in order and it helps you not get mixed up. Okay, we've done the parentheses. Next is the exponent. The only exponent here is this 2 here. 2 to the second power is 2 squared, or 2 times 2, which is 4. Again, I bring everything else down. The 6's, the division sign, the plus, and the 3. Now we're done with parentheses and exponent. What we have left is multiplication, division, minus, and plus. Where with PEMDAS it says does multiplication and division next, left to right, okay? The next thing we do is multiplication, because this is to the left of division, and 2 times 4 gives you 8. Bring down the 10 and the minus sign. Now I'll go ahead, sometime I like to put 6 divided by 3 again here, but since it's left to right, I can go ahead and divide now. 6 divided by 3 equals 2, okay? Now you've got rid of the multiplication and division left, and what you got left is addition and subtraction. Left to right again. Addition is to the left, so 10 minus 8 is 2. And you bring down the 2 with the plus, and now you're left with addition, and you simply add 2 plus 2 to get 4, okay? Again, remember this PEMDAS, because that'll get you through all the problem when you come up with parentheses, exponents, and different things of that nature. Over here it says, what is the positive difference between the sum of 3 and 4 and the product of 3 and 4? To get the positive difference, first you gotta find the sum of 3 and 4. In the product of 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4, sum means plus, 3 plus 4 is 7. Product means time. 3 times 4 is 12. So now you got those first values, and now you can find the positive difference between these two. And difference is subtraction. You just gotta remember these terms, okay? If it's new to you. So 12 minus 7 equals 5, and 5 is your final answer to this question. Again, these are terms you probably already know about. If not, keep it in your mind. Take a couple of seconds to memorize them and know how to use them. And hopefully everything is going well, and I'll